We're going to do a brief video on SP500 bear market, and we've got a daily chart up here for you of the SP500. This is the E-mini futures contract. We're going to use it as a proxy for the SP500. As you can see, we've been in a bear market most recently from the middle of the summer here, and we had this sharp sell-off when it bumped against the 200-day moving average. If you scroll back over here, you can see we've really been in the bear market since about April of the spring of 22, and we are in this hard bear market, but the question is, how low is this going to go? And this chart doesn't show it, but the market is rallying to 3,800 today, even as I speak, which puts it right up about here, close to the 20-day moving average. We've got a green 5-day, a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day moving average here. So we're getting a really sharp bear market rally in this up to 3,800 today on this S&P 500 ES Mini futures contract. So again, the question is, was yesterday the low? That 35.71 on the contract, on the futures contract, was that the low? And the answer is, it's really highly unlikely that it's not the low. If we take a look here at several other areas, we'll go to a weekly chart real quick, take a look and see what's going on here. You can see that we're bouncing off the 200-week moving average. Let me see if I can get you a better picture of it. We're bouncing off the 200, this blue is the 200-week moving average, and it just came right down to it and bounced off of it, made a slight little penetration. And so you're naturally going to get some buying there, even temporarily. You're going to get a little buying there. But if you look, we're still in the beginnings of a bear market on this SP500. There's not a great, this is a large percentage decline, but it's not that big of a deal, especially when the Fed's still tightening rates hard. So my guess is we're probably going to go a little lower, probably down to 3,200 level. We have major support here at the 2174 level. I don't think we're going to go that low, but I think we'll probably go down to the 3,200 level here eventually before this is over. We can see that the 20-week moving average is nowhere near, 38 is about right here on my crosshairs, right about there. So we're not there yet. Right now the 20-week is up to 92.50. I don't think we're going to get there. So I think we'll get a good little rally like we're getting right now, but not for very long. I think this is just it's probably some short covering, and then I think we'll drift back down. We may not go to 3,200, but I do think we'll drift back down and get down here in this 3,400 range at the least, and maybe the 3,200 range, but that's probably going to take us into November before we do that. Maybe early November, late October before we do that. But that's the weekly chart. Let's go back to the daily chart, and let's take a look real quick and see what's going on with our you can see we're just beginning to get a turn in the 200-day moving average. You can see how big of a rally we got all the way from June 20th, and then we're just now, that's June 20th at the beginning of the rally, and we're just now starting to get into a decent rollover on the 200-day. So I think this rally will be short-lived. Let's go and take a look and see what RVM Research thinks about it. Let me spread this out. We put out algorithmically generated prices. I think we have a short position out here this morning for E-minis. This is a 30-day trend following system, uses moving averages. Got a short position out here at 37.11. It's 37.11 on this futures contract. You would have had to look, and I did before I started here, look at the intraday chart, but you could have made a few bucks trading that overnight. This is yesterday's price, so today is way higher than this. But you could have made a few bucks. The low today is 36.86, and you couldn't have made very many points, but you could have made a little bit of money. Keep in mind that's 30-day hold, but that would have you in there today, and you'd be taking some drawdowns right now. This is our non-trend following algorithmically generated prices. These all come out Monday through Friday before 7 o'clock in the morning, and these are indicating shorts. We don't have one-day shorts for the SP. We have one-day buys, but not one-day shorts. So you'll get either a buy or a short every day. Today's shorts, and you can see 37.29 on here. Same thing with this on a 2-day hold. You'd normally have to wait a couple days, and that's how this works. You would get in, assuming your own analysis said it was a good idea today, but wait 2, 5, 10, or 20 days to get out, depending on the price you got in at. And again, entertainment purposes only, you have to use your own analysis. So this trade's still open. All of these trades would be hit and be open, but some of these you could have day traded out already in the overnight session. But that's where we are today with all these. SP500 rallying, but I think we're going to get a sell-off and get back down below our current lows that were established here yesterday. You can get access to all of our algorithmically generated prices at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. We cover 190 stocks, the major Forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures. I just showed you the SP500. We cover crude oil, gold, and T-bond futures as well, all before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. And no credit card required, absolutely no cost. Just follow the link over to rbamresearch.com and get signed up with your email. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Keep in mind that everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only, including our entry prices and commentary. Can't use our entry prices for anything other than entertainment, and you should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.